Okay, what's going on? Okay. All right, so, okay, something happened there. Gosh knows what it was. But anyway, these came out of this little envelope. And these are from my Digikits Botanical Sketches, I believe. And I remember this was my journal, so I wrote goofy things on the back, and I honestly don't remember what the meaning of them was, but I'll read them to you because they're kind of funny. Okay. I think I was trying to practice my calligraphy, but as you will see, it's not very good. But that's okay, because, it's supposed to be my little own private space that apparently I'm showing to the world, but, who cares? Before me, cemetery, the attic, old pipe organs. I have absolutely no idea what that means. I have no idea what that means. Kind of creepy, kind of eerie. Now I have angels, sunshine, papa, holly. Okay, that's nice. Protagonist, Falstaff, nemesis, the end. I may have been copying out of a book on training how to do calligraphy, and I was using the words from the book. Let's roll with that, because that doesn't sound so weird. Birds, red wings, blackbirds, ducks, pelican, Canadian geese, green heron. Okay, just probably random Pam thoughts. Thoughts, wishes, dreams, and hopes. Candlelight, faces, and ghostly figure. This is the card that made me think I was trying to practice different calligraphy styles, writing styles, and I don't know. I am an enigma. I have no idea why I did this, but I do know that I did this for my own personal space, so maybe I won't necessarily do something exactly like this on the back to gift somebody else or that, or maybe I would, and I would just mess with them and let them try and figure it out. Yeah, that would be just like me. So that is something to think about. If you were looking for different options of things that you might want to tuck into your journals, there's a lot of different things you can put in here. And they do take on a different flair or flavor or mystique when it's for yourself or you're going to be giving it away or selling it. You just might do crazy things if it's just for you. So this was a double spread, misting with some distressings, it looks like. Little twine bows in the corner. Another taped down dried flower. I love doing that. That's so fun. Just little random black art, deco style art. What is this? This looks like a label from a beer or something. Looks like a beer. Maybe Greek beer? Does that look a Greek beer? I think maybe that's Greek beer. I could be wrong. This I turned into a pocket. Awaken, feet, floor, grab sunshine, drink coffee, drink mineral water, and I crafted. Okay, that was my morning, apparently. I'll bet it was. Nighttime is peaceful. I played Scrabble to relax. Squirted eye drops before sleep. Sleep better. There you go. That's the recipe for sleeping better. Get those eye drops in there. Okay. All right, now, apparently I was going deep here. This is funny. I'm laughing at my own writing. Okay, so I took gelatos and just drew them across the page, and then I just glued down with Fabrifix some dried leaves, and I think that's lavender, or it could be a weed, but it doesn't matter because it's pretty, so you don't necessarily have to have lavender, but if you do, it's nice. If not, you just grab what's outside, anywhere. I will now scribe eloquent prose. The excitement flows from my head to my toes. Oh, this is going to be bad. Who knows where this will goes? It shall go where it ever chose. It ever it chose. Yes. Come hither, yonder flower. Come lay in my book, for you alone have the power. Oh, I'm going deep here. Be flattened forever in dark recess of nook. Thou'st image is frozen in time evermore. Be present forever. Who knows what's in store? Well, maybe I picked the wrong career and I should have gone into playwriting or something. Finding yourself glued to a page. This book is now your eternal stage. Okay, so I'm trying to get brave, being goofy, being playful with myself, and just having fun with it. I mean, it's a who cares space. This is only paper. Just having fun with it. I think I glued this down because it was really fragile. Yeah, it's a leaf skeleton. It was a real leaf skeleton, not like a made leaf skeleton. And I think somebody mailed that to me, so thank you. That was pretty cool. This was a masterboard just torn into a corner pocket. Another more of the round writing. Winter roses reveal the wonder of the season. Embrace your, can't read it, inner rose. Oh, that's nice. Oh, because I did roses here. That's why I was doing that. All right, more stencils. Stencils are a fun way to think. Add sticker, washi tape, splotches of acrylic paint, it looks like. And here's an old date I found on some torn paper, and I thought that deserved a place. Here's a ticket. It must be a ticket punch. And with some rubber stamping on it. That was pretty. And just some rubber stamping splattered with coffee, I think. And then this is, I couldn't figure out what it was at first. I'm still not sure. I've deduced this was an altered paper clip made out of a file thingy. And what did I tuck in here? I made a little envelope. Yep, looks like I just took a little masterboard piece and turned it into a real quick envelope. Just some interesting pieces here, some vellum. And here's a little picture of ladies, how cute they are. Could you, looks like me and my girlfriend. We could definitely have some fun with those. So you could put anything you want in here. It's part of the journey, as it says. And very easy to place, so it's not permanent. You can just pull it off anytime. And I think that's the end of it. That's as far as I got. And the rest is still to be written. I think there's a song that ends that way. So that's how you can go from very colorful and relatively just a day. Each one was a day of fun. Not even a day. I was just sitting down and relaxing and unwinding. So if you want some low pressure, low stress, and maybe this is a good time of year to do it because there's been a lot of hullabaloo. You know what I mean? A lot of hullabaloo about, you know, getting ready for the holidays and everything is in its place and people are coming in, or maybe they're not coming in and you're upset they're not coming in, or you're not going out, and, you know, there's all that stuff. And, but the paper is always very welcoming and easy with us. So I think I'm going to maybe do a little bit of drawing or more collaging in here, and we'll have some fun doing that. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tour through this little paper bag journal that is actually my real journal that I wrote in. And I could see I was having fun with it. I don't know why I stopped. It probably just got busy and or lazy or busy lazy or some kind of cross of that. But for those of you, wait a minute, we need somebody. There's somebody around here that might want, hello, hang on. I got a moaner. Yeah, let's see what we got. Okay, everybody, it's been a while. I don't know if you still remember me, but my name is Sunshine. Junior Cub Pup reporter here, reporting to you from the paper Outpost. There have been shenanigans going on here, and Sunshine might have been in the middle of it. There have been boxes coming in, and Sunshine had to explore the boxes and take the innards out of the boxes and run around all over the house and tear the little pieces of paper apart. But I really thought I was just helping Mom craft, because that's what she does. She tears paper. So I was tearing paper. I really don't see there need to be any fuss about it. No, we're all paper tearers at our core. So I was doing my thing. Mom was doing her thing. Mom came and saw me doing my thing, and then she had to step away from her thing and help me with my thing. Yes, I did. Oh, you should see when I get the toilet paper roll. Now we're talking. Okay, happy crafting, everybody. We're so glad to be back. Mom is upright and shuffling around and doing great. So I'm hoping you're all well. We love you, and just remember, it's only paper. Mwah. Okay, yeah, you tell them. It really is only paper. Okay, so I have a free monthly emailed newsletter. Sign up for that, and you're going to get a free digital image, a checklist of supplies, a note from the bookmaker, which explains what a junk journal is and how to use it. And you can tuck that into the beginning of your junk journal to help explain what a junk journal is and how to use it. And you also get a page list of ideas on how to break a blank page, and a list of supplies you might keep your eyes open for in your junk journal traversing of the world. My videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. My podcasts come out Tuesdays and Thursdays, new audio material. And then the other days of the week, you can watch video podcasts on Spotify. I have an Etsy shop if you're interested in journals and bundles and kits and fundles. When available, I have those in there. The Paper Outpost shop on Etsy, and I sell Digikits, which are printable, downloadable images. And if you like those, they come in packs of 5 pages of different pictures related to a theme. And You can either buy the computer files from me, or you can ask me to print them out. I have a print and mail service. If you don't like to print or don't have a printer, I will print them out for you and ship them off to you. That's free priority mail shipping with that. All you need to do is buy the print and mail option, and then pick out the 10 Digikits that you want and send me that list of names. I only need the first 2 or 3 words to know which one you're talking about, and I will print those out for you on nice lightweight cardstock. That will give you 50 printed pages on their way to you very quickly. And I also have an Amazon shop. If you see me use tools and supplies, I do my best to put links in there for you. It does not cost you more for using my links, but it does help my shop. Thank you very much. And I have a merchandise shop. If you like the phrase "create with reckless abandon" or "everything is a craft supply until proven otherwise," you can get that on a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a zip hoodie, a mug tote, or a water bottle. And remember, most of all, fun can be simple, and create with reckless abandon, everybody. Take care. Until next time. Bye-bye.